Genevieve. 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 Mommy, Genevieve.
Oh, Genevieve. She can go in the house.
Oh, cool. Santa knows everything.
Garbage.
What is that, Kev?
It's a train track.
It's a train track?
Yeah. It's a train track. It's a train track.
Ooh, we can put more train tracks.
Train track.
More train tracks.
We can put that in your train set?
Yeah.
Downstairs? I see that. Yeah, we want it on so it's warm.
A cat's cradle in the book to teach you how to do things. The book helps you teach you how to do things.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Is that what their friends have?
Yeah. Teaching how to do things.
Wow.
Fake.
Oh.
Quick.
Kev.
Look at those. Here. No, you can pick up, Daddy.
Should I take it out?
Yeah.
Or Mama could do?
You can do it. My daddy can do it, Mommy.
Is Mommy just a wimp?
Daddy can do it.
Look at the motor. Watch.
Let me see. She is gorgeous.
There's motor turns on.
Pretty hair, huh?
Oh, here's one. Watch. You can put this in the bath. Turns on. That's just like Daddy Moore.
Let's take.
Mommy gotta cut these.
Oh, look at this book.
Kev, cool motor on there. Does that book got a motor?
Yeah,
Cool.
these have motor.
You have a great day.